time for Abbie Wabbit. Today is going to be another science video.
Yep, it's another science video. Abbie loves science videos, especially when it has to do with snow. So we are gonna do two different experiments today. One is called hot or cold, doesn't matter. The other is called how much is too much. Both experiments will be with snow powder. So we are going to find out. So for the first experiment, the Color Chemistry Arctic Lab kit says, now we know that water is snow powder's favorite liquid, but does it like a nice warm cup? Does it prefer refreshing cold water? Maybe it has no preference at all. So we are gonna place 2 shovelfuls of snow powder in the cylinder, and then we're gonna add warm water, and we're gonna see how high the snow swells in the cylinder. Then we're going to repeat the process with cold water. Abbie is going to add 2 spoonfuls of snow powder to the cylinder. Okay, and then we're going to add the 20 milliliters of this is warm water. It swelled up to about 30 milliliters on the cylinder. So now we're gonna see if the cold water swells up just as much. So we're gonna clean this up and we're gonna do the experiment again with cold water. It took a while for the snow to absorb the water, but it doesn't quite reach the 30. So it's not as fluffy as the warm water. Now Abbie's going to add the ink drops. The cold snow, it's cold and it's a lot denser and it didn't absorb the color as much. And the warm snow absorbed the color a lot more and it's a lot more fluffy. So there was a difference between the cold and the warm water. Now we'll let Abbie play with her snow for a little bit before we get the second experiment started. So we're all set up for the next experiment, and this experiment is called how much is too much. Basically, we're gonna see how much water the snow powder can absorb. I already added 10 milliliters of water to the beaker, and I added 1 drop of ink so that we can see the water. So we're gonna put a little bit of water into the cylinder each time. $20 milliliters, go ahead. So far 30 milliliters of water. So now we're gonna add 10 more and see how that goes. Okay, let's add the water. It absorbed 40 milliliters of water. Wow. Isn't snow powder amazing?
Yep.
Do you think it's a super absorber?
Yep, it's made super absorber. Thanks for watching, bye! Don't forget to subscribe.